Tell me about Sober Network Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's move straight to actions. Prince, on idea. Quickly, we're going to set the ball rolling. Kwame Poku.
Yeah.
He's one player. It looks like his time at Kotoko is over. Clear. But nothing shows that Kwame will still play for Kotoko.
Okay.
Club, no. Players are indirectly behind the scenes. Kwame Poku is part of these players. Okay. Now, clubs is showing interest.
Okay.
Ashcoot. Obuase, keen interest from Coach Karim Zito.
Okay.
So now their target is to survive in the league.
Yes.
And make sure they will not be relegated.
Yeah.
And any other target.
Right.
Now to achieve this target, Coach Karim Zito believes that matured, experienced players can really turn the table and the conversation for Ashcoot.
Yeah.
Into Kwame Poku pa. Then there is Adriana Stars. Coach Samo Boadu so okay, fine. He has a good team.
Yes.
They have a very, very good team. And the make preseason no mu lose matches no. Ahame. Ina nkomu win no mu trimu nyomo de. Oh, nanke be sha se nanka on. But they are losing and that is going to be a big wake up call.
Yes.
Samo Boadu man ni anda ho. No so say Kwame Poku. To imagine Mizake Free, Steven Amankona, Emmanuel Alban. Na ye de Kwame Poku.
Sebeka ho.
I have to focus the supporters agenda. Now I'm going to say young Kofanembra. And it is still massive.
Okay.
The weekend he had supporters here, Congress.
Yes.
After their Congress, some of the fans felt that these are not matured guys.
Yeah.
The more 2-3 b. And because Maulo Wayo is out.
Yeah.
Stephen Apia Shankiki contract.
Hamza
Isa.
Yeah.
And there's also this guy, Yaman Kwabefi. So said, guys, no more match with team baby now point to say, Fabian Befra. It's gonna be a big issue. Media man, the end they say die out kakra.
Okay.
So Moon say, but that one is that. But Gold Stars also no Kwame as replacement for Atakumi.
Okay.
So Diana Gold Stars had to folk Ashcoot. Kotoko at this point, me say the interest about Kwame on the Kotoko Timinya be enya kakra.
Yeah.
O the Kotoko na be player no crack transfer no the onward we be ship. Just imagine Kwame about this season.
Yes.
No, I just top scorer.
Yes.
I know her clubs now Kwame beat me a corner. There is that possibility say so Kumami didn't be more. Imagine Kwame Poku win the top scorer. Now woman go free na the next moment na club ne kwa jining to the club ne kwa jiska kesi. So even if you will not sell Kwame pa, what the yenye se Kotoko na transfer with onward transfer.
Yes.
If you are 10%, if you are 30%, or Kobona far, or more turn a Kotoko percentage.
Yes.
Which of these clubs do you think would really help? Quick one.
So, but 2 clubs. It is either he will join Accra Hearts to Folk, or Obeshe no join baby any Gold Stars.
Why?
2 clubs.
Why these 2 clubs?
Because clubs like Mediema, Adriana Oka, Omu team no, Obo Steven Amankona din, Afi Obo Meshake Free in Susudin.
Okay.
And Obo Aban Sudin sa kan ho e wani mo ho.
Emmanuel Aban.
Yes, Emmanuel Aban so kan ho. Now, you were this word in football na a friend marquee sign. Sap teams no, omu nyina was a marquee signings ni bi. So Adam
come marquee signing.
Okay.
When it comes to Kotoko.
Say you back. Oh, okay. Because say Kwame Steven Amankona, somebody who knows the league very well. Waji go Kenya there Okofane Bar. He's already a marquee signing. And marquee signings, no, they are high profile players, sometimes expensive, and also famous players brought in to bring excitement and boost squad strength. Until obi ba in the shape of Amankona will be that. Tiano no we ba be kan ho akwa me be so be kan ho a. Eno no ye nhye de hu omumienu no yi. But across of folk Lucy Hamza. Isa Walusu Mauli Wayu Walusu the key players especially any more for Walusu Omunyina. So if you bring him in automatically, Oba be the marquee signing for across of folk. Go Stars and so Elusu almost striker. Go Ken. Atakumi Onosoko. So Urema quickly Kwame fits into their books and is going to headline their team. No? It made 2 clubs between Baby and Go Stars and Accra to folk. Emu bi obe kubia. Or personal so obey Luis Figo do any bia. Or cross the carpet the free Barcelona about Real Madrid. So Feliz not from Asante Kotoko to Accra to folk as well. It won't be bad.
Okay. Well, talking about marquee signing, do you think Kotoko'S marquee signing?
Yes. Yes. Especially number 9.
With the number 9, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Top number 9 pa. Send them a kind, you know. They are players that are high profile players. Expensive. So bad. Sometimes famous. Who are acquired into teams to bring excitement and to boost squad strength. Some number 9 for some players need the marquee sign is over. Odi omo ba. Obey adwuma 2 na the amount. On field and off field. Yeah, I said we don't take marketing serious. But if you bring in a top signer, all my goals, now all the excitement and the supporters never stadium no. Off the pitch, no, so I was had the next ton merchandise. So you benefit on and off the pitch in our combined. So Kotoko would need a marquee signing so bad, whether in the league or outside the league.
Okay.
They would need one marquee signing to fit into the books.
Well, let's continue with the transfer. Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S, they know this. And the information Richard Mitchell said, and upon Nameka, by Meka say a year by Wajuma.
Okay.
Kotoko want a classic number 10.
Classic number 10.
Yeah, classic number 10. Oh, you see, the football has a classic number 10 for no fee. Because of double 8 now.
Yes.
Yes. When the Man City was my ball be a Kovacic, my ball Bernardo Silva, my ball Rodri. So I said, we need the typical number 10. Now, I'm a Ryan check.
Yeah.
A big gentleman to check Jibona, pass on the bono. I feel now before the piano be. But most of these teams are not going for the classic number 10 for the they want the mechanical number 10 for no. To answer name I'm type no if it out.
Yes.
More ball, but chain no pass in the channel.
Yes.
Coutinho more line on say if coach snip efficiency.
Yeah.
Quick transition engage na ball no so nche omuzo gina so cha wan na opponent na recover regroup na that space na be da ho no o ma close
ten Femi Lopez mo dey
the amount for mo said am pe but to me en content. But what I can tell you is Eric Tinkler when he said was Eric Tinkler a 4-2-3-1.
Yeah.
And in the 4-2-3-1 there is a key rule. The middleman. Middleman is say ke oboard so anka me kire kakra.
Okay.
4 no we kire say. Back 4. And a 2 it was say. No the 2 nini.
It will defense nani.
It will defense nani. And now obesa ma 3. It will 2 nani. No ma 1.
It will no more.
So we shift from the attacking side now. When you 2 see.
Yeah.
When you 1 wa.
Yes.
When you back wa. When you back wa. Na back we dey.
Ejinani.
That's the middleman for the offensive side of the game.
Wow.
Nechi eyimienu. Ni nchemu baako. Ne ha baako. And nim eso ye dey baako. To ne shame finfin.
Yeah.
2 3 no. On the shape na 1. And that player is very very important.
Okay.
Because on the free 2 no. No a chere se me dey kwa ha. And I'm the kwa na de ko yanim.
Yeah.
To no agro no on enwene.
Yes. The scene nice opa.
For now, in the books of Eric Tinkler, the man for the job we were the name.
Okay.
And a true baby are not try Philip Amo. And so was our side.
That side one, okay.
Try him. But mean come on it Teresa. Ope bibi. Yeah. Ope Fabio Gama.
Oh wow.
Which Molamte mo.
Yes. Some type ni no.
Now also one thing a South African players yeah the pies are there. Once a South position you be an adwin mo so a dog. the obey no or yen in Teman Sana, more abaso.
Yes.
Into an old board no about pass. By the time I want to give a basuna board the court.
We did game no.
Didn't tell hey or bottle baby ye other players with deep brands and margin no abaso. Yes, watching. There so bottom or bot. Me pick a coach and I recommend a player from South Africa. For that role. For that,
okay.
And I'm a say an agency so I recommend a player from South America. For that role.
Wow.
So the fans should expect a classic number 10.
Wow.
Well, I say Emmanuel Lynch and I say number 10.
Yes.
And home basem. Don't say no. So Kotoko a key sign.
Okay.
A tower. Na ede home.
Nice one.
And also aid free oba me the mount. Me say Tenkla akoye interview.
Yes.
Or South Africa. First video they can pictures.
Yeah.
Now Tenkla Kasafa budget and transfer of the club.
Budget and transfer.
Now in paraphrasing Tenkla.
Yes.
Or say our budget is nowhere near the budget of the teams competing in the Champions League. I say they got budget no and then teams are pre Champions League from South Africa, Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, Tunisia. Where and where so?
Yes.
I see them.
Wow.
No. And they are engaging in smart scouting and recruitment.
Smart scouting and recruitment. Wow, I love that.
And he admits that it's been tough. Yeah. Say obetimi hu player bi na ebia sika 7 internet so ujano.
Yes.
That is Tinkler. But I say even though that is the case, in the next 3 weeks they've done enough to give Kotoko quality.
Okay.
To set the foundation. Me usually words me. I see they've done enough to give Kotoko quality to set the foundation.
Okay.
I say okay, no bet me assign we a foundation to me be account.
Yes.
Banka wutie na nke sika wo ho a. Enkobe dum abronsuo na chen.
Yes.
Die ohu sese.
Nkrepa.
I say hard dream, but that is the reality. And again, in Penifo painting a clear picture of the all barbe and it's any identity.
Okay.
Or say Penifo try a decent picture of infrastructure. Into say one year, but Penifo and that I'm disappointed.
Okay.
I said everyone was so bad into studio saying it here. Baby, some mama say baby girl miniska. Too bad. Customer dada.
No correct.
Maybe I will per se can say yes any So he made mention of that. Now, I say the blessing in all this conversation here, sir. Ghana was massive talent.
Okay.
I say talent in the ebu okruma pa. But the problem here, sir, talent, no. Other top European scouts. And we say Ghana was talent.
Yeah.
And there were financial issues.
Yes.
And I had to say Kura omudia to super the correct tomatoes no mudia. But omuniska. The scaffolding in our sort of moko. So omuniska kitwe because kofa correct one.
Yes.
So according to Tenkla, the talent is not a problem. And he even went on to say that technically the Ghanaian players have the power, strength than players in South Africa.
Okay.
Yes. Technically, I say Ghana for the bros. And now say Obia who scouts now I'm at the competition with foreign agents, no? Ababe, one of the problems.
Yes.
Regards to the smart scouting and recruitment, no more say the SSR. And Ababe more problem.
Wow.
Smart scouting and recruitment. SSR. I heard him because Utiena said they've been able to identify some players.
Yes.
But by the time on Bekonana, yeah, the two of them say, Ebia agent be free her. abaso or Parcolano, and I scout to be free abaso or Parcol and Diamana na amana yedin say ubenya set a talent nti no the only few Eric Tinkler so Ediamai. Now Tinkler to just say for now the called reserve side. Who's all called about reserve team and some of more their youth team. Classify under 15 and 17 as youth and a reserve one under 21 form. From reserve straight to the team. The reserve one day.
Yes.
Just your reserve league. Uncle mobile. To move frat team. No.
They hear them no.
They hear them no.
Yeah.
Yes. 22 was after baby. Anyway, youth team and Casa 17, 15. Barcelona was 17.
Yeah.
Barcelona 15.
15.
What was our reserve side?
Yeah. Basa Athletic no.
Now say TIF record for youth no. Think of some reserve. So there was the need for Kotoko to have a youth team. That is the 15, the 17, and even the 13. I will say on the Kotoko leadership and discuss it. And the plan is say, Utien Commona. I want to say because of talent, as I said, Kotoko didn't who Jim Penedy at all.
Okay.
Now, Kaskaka Krana Ebekano. Ebe thick enough for the big budget. Tiano say 4 big krana no share, and I will fail through big kruma now father. Now when you bear 5 or 6, I will fall 11 place, or the bear 7 free or reserve number. Because reserve no one what train your mama or more standard now open.
Yes.
Inti 4 be now over kwama on it. I got tired, and the cat to swap. Now the cano atoso. To meet the Africa standard.
Wow.
Eric Tinkler. Now the issue about his target. Tinkler said there's some Kotoko'S management and a board. Eddie Atun and him say they want to see Kotoko'S back in Africa. But not to go and win the Champions League in many years. So they want Kotoko'S back in Africa, compete in Africa.
Yes.
But gradually there should be that improvement regardless of how they compete in Africa.
Wow.
So according to Nono, I said the last 4 years, Media Magic League 4.
Yes.
Magic League 2 in the last 4.
The last 4.
So if there's a team to target, so between Akunya
Mediama.
So the first one is to conquer Ghana.
Okay.
Then proceed to make competitive impact in Africa. Gradual process and gradual development. Now Kosoro.
Wow.
So and also but more part 1 is see yeah okasaba infrastructure.
Yes.
Na omubisa no mamfa we ntwa to amana say what will be the measuring tool I the ato amana. And also penifo the tool and him say they had a big issue with regards to discipline. Or say obai ko to penifo ka ten say omo how ba kupo mu nya e mom di discipline. And your mom will pay for the be say they want to see him establish a professional structure with the playing body where discipline ebeye adwuma na said obi ambedi insebubia eno the floor bar medema. This interview was granted by Andile of Metro I think FM or TV in South Africa.
South Africa, okay.
At the end of course. My friend Amazon.
So but Sikasem de ya kan ho asem de bia say you know the financial capabilities no of your clubs na kese ni mi no especially as Kotoko'S Accra to folk. E wo form. You can't time without number. Say if Kotoko'S was back again into the African light ni bi. I was say Kotoko'S conquer Africa bima. I was say Asante Kotoko'S ready to invest in the team because so also pe aduana no dey come up now person we did in years over there also you ready say obetu botoma yiska kese nti I was say akohoma ne mo yedu na aduana no zumu ayedu if you want the best. And we all know say Asante Kotoko'S is CA level na ankasa no Kotoko'S can't compete financially with the likes of Mamelodi Sundowns, Ali, almost side in one of the Asante Kotoko in Ruhosisia. But with time, Kankakra, Ebi, Intimino meaning passer Eric Tenkla, no Baby Drew Saleh, we say players Nibi Honoma, he would love to have them in the side. Because on one case out to me, say pre-season no crown. Senkenya Sampan and Kiyanka and Rose Nibi Honoma, Kobe Pesenka, Tim Nkwa Abontin Kofa Bimra. Yeah. But he sikasem intino. I was so try na utimi eye bibi se ne wo kan na me de pa. Say I was so omoye smart recruitment. Enti enye ne ye be pompi sika bebree. But ye betimi ahwe ma ye nya bia quality ni wo honom ba wo no mu hia polishing. Nya polish mo ma ba be team ni. Enti there are some Eric Ten Clark no. Very true which ya kan ho asem de bia. And then they can, coaches beat is set clam or form, but it is difficult for them to hide the truth. Or they cannot cry. But no cry or can no cry, or you who Juma so I beboa. It's with a recruitment style, there can several times. Say Asante Kotoko recruitment in Sika Semono, there is a problem. Your league Nankasano Sika Semono, there is a problem. Which I will say, your clubs and the say or more pest strategies for from me, and the Nesika no more running on my clubs. Other than that, it is going to be extremely difficult. For league in the no kokan say your catcher is a unreturned board and say on for team no and some fan Africa beam. Not by force be a say no year yon for team no Champions League or the Confederations Cup. But on try mass and take in Africa ni beam. Because okobako ukomienu ukonimi and sanswa. Now failure will level now the call back on pejam dia commune. The call me no, now fe pejam edia comiensa. And he said, Asante Kotoko, Ag League Nissi, na Kotoko Air Champions League, and he said the first head on that one air prelims no. So Kotoko to me BT prelims ni we are. No group stages, no free man. No the group stages now a benchmark. It's the next time or best Africa be or Champions League now when him say. Or trap prelims into unconco framework prelims. Or framework prelims are a failure. And your baby on stages nessa kakanka krasa or prim say Kotoko bet me could drew a straw honum. I am sorry to use this word, but so bad mammy used to win. He said the Kotoko team near a send a crazy auntie for Obi tutu kakra or betiato kakra nay any boko san or prim and 9 bed form. And it shouldn't be something say ye pententem there be. I was here to your boss process. Send a cruise and auntie and a yabo tremano. Kakran kakra, or bury a crano or sorry cacrano or theato. Sa copimis affide, obeying balance ni. Now feed on one case timia quaba. And another day, meaning say, Tenkla plan on Nagasakwan, he would love to win the league. A bit boost to Nagasakwan ni CV. But a yet idea, I was say a paper who be the man. Which I know, say, in the minds of the board, I was said team the long-term rebuilding phase no our team the person moyano. And he has said come sake coaches be stick with one coach, let him build for you. Now for the on 40 minutes phone could do a level of stage now person could do. Media man dey send a kind no almost set standard no 4 years waji league no 2. And over him post silence a media meye. Any pre-season in this season no asasa you can clearly see that you see no Ghana Premier League no standard na media man they be omo dey kon enti Tenkla mind no who dey say let's chase media man yen chase yom na ne ekuto omo sisi yi no yenje na yen so yen san return to the highest seat e Ghana na afi no yen try say e be restore Asante Kotoko African image ni bi enti eno no so no I agree with him on Sadian, which I know he will get there. Discipline in some Sisi ne utie nkomoni ye pa. Baby ba ko asisi no edam panifo na koma so pa na discipline. Aside trophies, the omuhia sisi pa na se Kotoko team no discipline be sa bam. And which last season yen nyina can say discipline levels no de niam ya tete na enye de kora. The same etete fa club na ho na nye de mu edem Asante Kotoko supporter bia. Enti Stanley Menzo interview oye no ono so can discipline asem ye bia. Eric Tenkla nso de yin so ono to so can discipline asem ya bia ba se ne ye krom ase ne sitie no se wo kofa obi free amano ne de ne ba so bet era respect ne nko yeah etime na minim se mpanimfo yi mienu kura na omo ho no kura no ebe kan se sisie ne de team no omo enya omo ho yie but even with kakra no kura na omo hia na omo ne Stanley Menzo any Eric Tenkla omo kura no any omo hia no me sure say now no discipline levels na start ya be odeba because you know say with foreigners no you dare not joke in their presence oh emma utrim because the least mistake abe no they will find ways of taking you out of the club it will be very disciplined but senke koye ye Ghana heya coaches yibia enke honom ne de enka meka se obi hia moa ba we mu no because omo no mo ba no omo nyi obi adamfo omo nyi obi abusuani bi adamfo they are foreigners afi no ma system ebi kura na Stanley Menzo ebi kura ma Ghana da ne the whole life nyina ne nkwan nyina ya ebi ko nsi Ghana kwa da ne first time ni ebi kura Eric Tenkla kwa no wate Ghana di but dem fan na nsi Ghana asase so da
yeah they were about so ball South Africa come 2000
okay next it no omo say no omo ba Africa ne say omo no omo ba Ghana say no so bad enya free no ba le na mfosem enya free no ba obedi bi agro it discipline levels na de ewo ho ye nyina kai coaches bi o ma ba Mariano Barreto mu nyina ba level of discipline ewo ho you dare not untimi njoki e was so you serious with the work etime me de I know say with the trophies any sikasem any discipline levels no so bad with time and yema be ko ye de ama Eric Tenkla the coach and the sporting director Stanley Menzo